So the first step is to click on new repository. Now assign it a name and then click on the create button. So once it's done, you have to upload a file. So here I have dragged my files to this folder. So all three files are now, you can see, uploaded. Click on commit changes. Here you can see that the files has been successfully uploaded. After that, go to settings and pages. Now here you have to select main, keep it as root only and select save. You can see it is successfully saved. Now you can see that here the Harley poster is created. It's showing pending because some process is going in the background, which is going to help it show online. So here you can see it consists of HTML and CSS. These are the files. So yeah, here it is, the process that I was talking about. It is gonna take like a minute or two. Close that. Yeah, so after some time you can refresh it and go to settings, and here click on pages and you can visit your site from here. Yeah, so that's how you can host a website for free on GitHub. Follow the process and you can successfully create your website. Thank you.